Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is November the 3rd, 2024, and I'm going to be showing you how to collect carnation seeds. This is one of the beautiful carnations that we still have blooming here on the flower farm. It is an heirloom variety. It's called Raspberry Ripple. And you can see we have some spent blooms here. So I'm going to be showing you here what to look for when you're collecting your seeds. Now this one here, I can feel here this did not produce a seed pod in it. This one here did. So you want to completely break this apart then to get all of your seeds out of it. And you can either store these in an envelope that's labeled, or you can store them in the little jewelry bags like they use for crafts, and you can seal it closed, and then take that, label it up, put it in a Ziploc bag, and put it in the refrigerator and store your seeds in there. I do have videos on my channel for how to start carnations from seed, how to feed your carnation seedlings. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye.